Hi, if you're like a lot of people, you've been struck by the fact that although we live in a time where apparently we are more connected as a species than ever in human history, more and more people are reporting feeling disconnected, feeling isolated, feeling alone, feeling like they don't belong to the community they live in, or really the world itself. I'm Dan D'Agostino, and I'd like to share with you some thoughts on how we can break through this sense of disconnection by recognizing the profound truth of our interdependence and our interconnection with others, and really with everything. I'd like to share a story with you that really touches on this dilemma in a really profound way. So in 1950, Albert Einstein wrote what's become a very famous letter to Robert S. Marcus. Now, Marcus had just lost his son to polio and was grieving and reached out to Einstein for some kind of comfort. Einstein, who was obviously known for his incredible genius about the physical world, was also known for just having a real in-depth understanding of the human condition. And this is what Einstein wrote. A human being is a part of the whole, called by us universe, a part limited in time and space. And what he's saying here first is that the reality is that we're not alone, that we belong to the universe, that we are part of everything here. But he experiences himself, his thoughts and feelings as something separate from the rest, a kind of optical delusion of his consciousness. So he goes on then to say that we live in a kind of delusion that we are separate, but that's not the truth. He says this delusion is a kind of prison for us, restricting us to our personal desires and to affection for a few persons nearest us. Our task must be to free ourselves from this prison by widening our circle of compassion to embrace all living creatures and the whole of nature in its beauty. 70 years after that letter was written, many of us still feel trapped in that same prison of isolation. And what social media and technology seem to do is create the illusion of being more connected while actually deepening this sense of separateness, deepening the sense that we're not seen, that we're different from other people, that we're not understood by other people. And this sense of disconnection can have a really deep impact on many areas of our life, including our relationships with others, our work, and our overall sense of well-being. By recognizing our interdependence with others and by widening the circle of our compassion to include them, we can get past these feelings of isolation. And we can also begin to foster a sense of community, that sense of belonging that I think so many of us are looking for. If you're interested in learning more about interdependence and really learning practical skills to enhance your experience of it, I'm going to be running an in-person workshop with my good friend Solomon Shapiro on June 15th in Toronto. You can click on the link below this video for more information or email me at info@compassiontoronto.ca. Thank you.